Good morning children, welcome to maths class. Today I am going to explain you the Indian system of numeration as well as international system of numeration. So in the last class I did not explain about international system of numeration. So today we will discuss first on Indian system of numeration and then international system of numeration. Then both together we will discuss. Then we will come to know the similarities between both and the differences of both. First I am going to explain you Indian system of numeration or Indian numbering system. We will call it as Indian numbering system. I'll take a 8-digit number 64,95,398. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is the large number or it is a 7-digit number. Why should we give after 3 numbers 1 comma and then after 2 digit another comma like this? Why we should give this? There is a reason behind it. Why we will discuss on it. So in Indian system of numeration, as I explained already, there are some periods and some places. These are the places. These are periods or groups. So our Indian mathematician has done the groups or the periods. How? This is ones group. This is 1,000. This is lakh. This is crore. This is ones group or period, thousands period, lakhs period and the crores. In these groups there are some places. In first group there are 3 places. First one is ones, tens, 100. So ones period or group is having 3 places, that is ones, tens, 100. In 1,000 we made only 2 groups, that is places 1,000, 10,000. So 1,000 group is having 1,000 and 10,000. Next lakh is also same 2 places. 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. Next crore is also same. Crore, 10 crore. Okay. This is the Indian system of numeration. So according to this, shall we write this number? I'll take 2 more. So, always in mathematics we should come from right to the left. So, for giving commas according to Indian system of numeration, we should give the commas from right to the left. So, first what we have to do is, we should do first 3 groups. This 3 number, after this we should give 1 comma. And then after this 2. Why? Because 1,000 group is having only 2 places. So after 3 you should give after 2 number 1 comma. After that again lakh is having 2 places, lakh and 10 lakh. So after again 2 numbers I'll show you. First 1, 2, 3. So that 1, 2, 3 after 3 numbers. And then thousands group is having only 2 places, 1,000 and 10,000. So after 2 numbers, another one. Next, Lakh place is also having two places, lakhs and 10 lakhs. 1 and 2. After two numbers you give another comma. Next crore. Crore, 10 crore. So here no numbers, so no need to give comma here. So this is how to give the commas. So always make the groups from right to the left. Got it? So this number we will write in a place chart. So 8 ones, 9 tens, 300s, then 5 lakhs, 9 10 lakhs, 1000, 8 ones, 9 tens, 300s, next 5000, 9 10,000, 4 lakh, 6 10 lakh, 5 crores and 3 10 crores. So this is one group, that is ones group, then thousands group. So listen carefully, this is an interesting, this is one group, first group is having 3 places. So after 3 we should give comma. After this 1000 group is having 2 places, so this is one group. After this you should give another comma. Next lakh group is having again 2, this is one group. After this you should give comma. Next last one is crore, this is again 2. So Indian system is having first 3 numbers, then 2, again 2, again 2. So Indian system, Indian numeration is having first 3, then comma, next 2 digits, comma, 2 digits, comma, again 2 digits. This is the how to give the comma for Indian system of numeration. First always should be 3 digit. After that 3 digit you should give comma, and then you should make 2 digit, then you give comma, again 2 digit, 2 digit. It will continue like this, 3 2 2 2 2 like this. So let's go for Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. I will take same example. I will explain you. This is Indian system, international system of numeration. How the international system of numeration? I will show you another chart. There are also some groups and hour periods in international system also. There are groups. First one is ones. These are groups, hour periods. First one is as Indian system. This is also having ones group, then thousands group. We are also having thousands group. Next will be ones, thousand, and next instead of lakh we will be having, okay, international system of numeration. This is known as groups or periods. So how the international system of numeration groups are? Ones group or period, thousands period, next will be million. So you should see there will be the change, millions and then billions. Okay, how we should understand this? Up to lakh I will teach you, later I will take crore and billions. See, up to lakhs. See, ones, they are also having ones period, thousand, and they are also having thousands. Here we have lakhs, they are having millions. So how the places in that? I will tell you, these are the places. They are having as same ones, tens, 100. Ones, our Indian system is also ones, tens, 100. Here also ones, tens, 100. Again, thousands place, they are having three places. One is 1000, 10,000, 100,000. They have made it three sets, that is 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So next million again they have done three places, million, 10 million, 100 million. After this, billion. Again billion is divided into three places, billion, 10 million and 100 billion. Okay, see, up to 5 digit. Up to 5 digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Indian system as well as the international system, both are same. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Here also ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. After 10,000, after the 5 digits. So 6 digit will be in Indian system lakh, in international system it will be million. I hope you are understanding this, and we'll take this example. What we wrote here, 60, 8 ones, 9 tens, 300, 5,000, 9 10,000, 4 lakh, 6 10. Okay. Here the same 8 ones, 9 tens, 300s, 5,000, 9 10,000. Up till 5 digit number everything will be same. Here also we will read 95,398. Here also we will read 95,398. After 5 digit it will change. Here it will become 400,000. But here this will become 4 lakhs. Then 6 million. Okay. Next, in Indian system this is 64 lakh. But in international system, how we should read is, first how to give the comma. First 3 places. So this is 3 group. So first after 3, 1 comma. And this is again one group, thousands group, 1, 2, 3 places. So 1, 2, 3. After 3 they should give 2 more numbers are there. So after these 3, so this is also one group. So in international system they have done 3 digits to give the comma. So international system. International numeration is 3, 3 digits, again comma, 3 digits, comma, again 3 digits. First one is ones period or group. Second one is thousands period. Third one is millions period. Then this is billions period. What will be in Indian system? First one is ones period. Then second one is what? Thousands period. Then lakhs period. Then crores period. So this is the international system of numeration. This is for 6th as well as 5th because both are having this concept. So I am telling you, Now I hope you are clear. So how it will be Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Up to 5 digits, no change at all to read numbers in international as well as in Indian system. After 5 digit, so 6 digit, 7 digit, there will be some changes. So suppose this is the number, we should give the commas according to international system. How we should give? I'll write here 64, 95, 3 9. Okay. This is the large number. Give the comma according to international system of numeration as well as read it. How we should give? First 3 groups, 3 places, again 3 places, and last no need to give. How to read it? This is ones, this is thousands, and this is million. 600 million, 649 million, got it? 649 million, 539,634. So how to write number name? 649 million, because this is millions group, this is thousands group, and this is ones group. So 649 million
634. So this is the number name according to international system of numeration. So what are the groups here? 649 million is the one group, 539,000 is second group, 634 is the first group. Okay, there in international system what you have to do is you should give the comma after all three digits, and this is how to read the number. So I will explain you 2 more examples. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There are 9 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits. These numbers you should write in Indian system also as well as in international system also. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First Indian system. Indian system. First write the short form. Same number. We should give the commas according to the Indian system of numeration. First is after 3 numbers. 1 tens 100. Next after 2. 1000, 10,000. Then again after 2. Lakh, 10 lakh. Crore, 10 crore. So this is how to give the commas and the number name. How to write it? See the groups: ones, thousand, lakh, and crore. 9 crore, 9
98 crore 98 crore 76 lakh 54,000 4,321 300 So this is the large number. Writing number name in the Indian system of numeration. How we should read this? First group, second group, third group, fourth group. So 98 crore 76 lakhs 54,321. How we will read? The same you should write. 98 crore. This is one group. 76 lakh 54,321. So first is after 3 digit, then 2 digit. This is 2 digit and this is 2 digit and this is 2 digit. So this is the Indian system of numeration. Next we will go for international system of numeration. International system of numeration. Same example I will take. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So how to give the comma I told you already. How? After 3 digit, again after 3 digit, here 3, 3, 3, 3. So first one, ones group, this is thousands group, next this is million, after this billion. So write the number name, read it first. 987 million 654,321. This is ones group. How we have read now? Like that you should. So first one is 980 87 million. Next 54,321. See this? 987,654,321 one group. 987,654,321. So 987 million is the third group. 654,000 is the second group. 321. This is the first group. So how it is? The giving comma is after 3 digits, comma, again after 3 digit, comma, again after 3 digit, comma. If you have next numbers, again after 3 digit. Got it? If suppose we have only 8 digit, this much, how to read it? Here no hundreds please. So 87,654,321. Suppose there is a 6-digit number. Sorry, 7-digit. 654,321. Like this we should read. This is all about Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. After watching this, you have to be able to write the Indian system of numeration, giving commas and writing number names, and the international system of numeration, giving commas as well as writing the number names. So once again, one more point I wanted to tell you, how to write number names. So while writing number names, only first letter should be capital, remaining all should be small. Got it? Some are writing this one for capital, again starting off this word, this will be capital, again this will be capital, and middle you will use to write the capital numbers. That is totally wrong. So only first letter should be capital, remaining all should be small. So this is how to write the number names. So this is all about Indian system of numeration, and then we will go for the textbook. Open your textbook. From the first lesson, first page, comparing numbers is over. How to compare the numbers I have told you. How many numbers can you make? Making the greatest number and the smallest number by using the given numbers is over. Next, shifting numbers, introducing of 10,000. How the 10,000 and 1 lakh are introduced? By adding 1 to the greatest 3-digit number, we will get 10,000. Greatest 4-digit number 9,999 plus 1 if we do, we will get 10,000. When we will get the lakh, the greatest 5-digit number 99,999. This is the greatest 5-digit number. If we add plus 1 to it, we will get the 1 lakh. Okay, this is the how introduction of 1 lakh and 10,000. Next, larger numbers, expanded form of larger numbers, expansion of larger numbers. This is done, and then Indian system of numeration according to the placement boxes. I told you boxes. What is placement box? I shown on first initially, that is the placement box. This is Indian system of placement box. This is ones. Thousands, lakhs, and this is crore. Here we will get ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 10 crore. Here you should write the numbers. Suppose 352189301. This is the one example. So here we will give the comma after 3 digits, and then 2 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits. So this is how we used to write the numbers in placement box. This is Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration placement box, and the international system of numeration placement box will be different. That is after 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here it is changed. Here it will become after 10,000, 100,000. Sorry, this is 100,000 will become. This will become million. So this is ones, this is thousands, this is million box. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, then million, 10 million, 100 million. This is the placement box of International System of Numeration. Here how we should give the commas? We should give all after 3 digits. 3 digits, 1 comma. Again 3 digits, another comma. So 3, 3, 3. This is International System of Numeration. So regarding this there are many problems. So do as homework. Thank you.